How you guys doing? Scott with Merriman's Archery Supplies. Tonight I want to show you guys a new release that I got in. Scott STB, and it's the one, so it's this. They got a small and a large, so for my hand I went with the small. It's a thumb release, and what's kind of nice about it is it's a open hook, so it doesn't lock onto your D-loop, but it does have, a double sear trigger, and it's fully customizable, adjustable travel and tension, and then a thumb button positioning you can do. Plus it comes, as it is right now, it's a 3-finger, and then it also comes with a 4-finger attachment to it and another barrel that's smaller than this bigger one. So I'm going to open it up and then we'll take a look at it together. I'm excited to play with it. I've been using, as you know, the knock to it. So it does come with a 4-finger attachment and then the smaller barrel. We'll open up the instruction card. Comes with the decal sticker and then the instructions. Just open up the main and it gives you the instructions on how to use it. Also has a QR code so you can go online and look it up too. So the release STB-1, so how it works is that's the open hook, snaps right back, and then to lock it you press this and then it's locked. And then obviously the thumb release, that's pretty smooth. That's really smooth. So to adjust the tension and travel is right here, and then the barrel, you just undo these two Allen heads right here, and you can swivel it. And then there's one, when you go down through here, there's another Allen here that sets it in, and then you can unscrew this out, get it twisted at a particular position you want, and so on. Man, it's crisp. So future video we'll be actually going and adjusting it and setting it up with how to do put the 4-finger attachment to it, adjusting tension and travel, maybe changing the barrel. But just wanted to show you this is what I got in, this is what I'm carrying now. So if you guys are interested, let me know, and reach out to me, and I'll let you know how much and where I can get it to you from. Alright guys, good night.